We're going to have a look at how to create desktop shortcuts to Purple Mash and to Mini Mash. To do this, you'll need to log into Purple Mash and click on the menu to the top right. Go down to Admin Settings and click on Login Shortcuts. You'll see a quick login shortcut for Purple Mash and one for Mini Mash. To create a desktop shortcut to Purple Mash, we're going to copy this link. On my desktop, I'm going to right-click and I'm going to go down to New and click on Shortcut. Here I can paste the location of the item and then click on Next. I'm going to call it Purple Mash. When I click on Finish, my link will appear on my desktop. In Purple Mash, I can also click to download the shortcut icon. That's downloaded into my Downloads folder. If I right-click on my link and click on Properties, I can click on Change Icon and locate that file. I can then click on Open and OK, and my icon will update. Now let's make a link to Mini Mash. I'm going to go back into Purple Mash, select and copy the Mini Mash link. I'm also going to download the shortcut icon. That's also now in my Downloads folder. I'm going to close Purple Mash, right-click on my desktop, go to New and Shortcut, paste my item in, click on Next, and then give it a name, Mini Mash. My link to Mini Mash will be here. I can right-click on it and click on Properties, change the icon, browse, and find my Mini Mash icon. Click on OK. I've now got two desktop shortcuts, one for Purple Mash and one for Mini Mash. I've set these up using the quick login shortcuts, which are active during school hours. When children double-click on Purple Mash to access it, they'll access Purple Mash as a guest. It will show this to the top right. They can click on Guest User and choose their class and their name and pop their password in to log in as themselves. With the Mini Mash shortcut, when they open up Mini Mash, they'll need to click on the logo to the top left and choose their class and their name to log in. This has been a video on how to create desktop shortcuts to Purple Mash and Mini Mash. If you have any questions or need any further support, please contact us at support@twosimple.com.